So I was just waiting in my car. Maybe I should have vlogged this. Right by my mom's place. And I heard this bang, and I knew instantly it wasn't good. So this lady, Robin, this lady opened her door onto my car, and there was like a paint scratch, but it was the white paint rubbed off. Still a dent. We're on private property, so I don't even know if insurance would go through, but she didn't want to do that. She said she would pay for it. I don't even know what I'm supposed to do if she decides she's not going to pay, but hopefully she does. I'm going to do my first grocery shopping round since I've moved here for the past month. I'm just gonna get a couple of bananas and milk to go with my breakfast. Soy milk. Lazy to walk, and I'm in a rush, but I cannot seem to find the controller for the boosted board. Found it, left it at my desk. I never do that. It's a nice place. Once in a while, my friends come over and decide they're gonna have a few drinks. Now I'm not glorifying drinking, but what I am glorifying is that when you do decide to drink, you leave all the empties at my place. There's got to be at least a couple of free subway rides in here. Cans are much easier. I'm gonna take these empties out to the beer store. I gotta do some banking and a couple of other little errands today. Look at it. $10.80. Maybe I should have vlogged this. Right by my mom's place. And I heard this bang, and I knew instantly it wasn't good. So this is the damage. So that sucks. Also, my mom's building where I'm storing my bike is going on some sort of tirade of where this is considered against the bylaws because I'm parked in the common areas. This is just nonsense, and I have to move it into my spot like a foot over. I got roped into spending quality time with the mother. Hello. What are we doing? We're gonna watch a movie? Yeah. We're gonna eat some vegan food, drink some vegan beer. Toothless. Peter's downstairs waiting. I'm gonna drive him downtown. It's his cousin's birthday.
Peter's down there too?
Was that Peter I said?
You said Peter.
No, sorry, that's actually Yusuf, as my mom pointed out. Yusuf, that you? Your Uber is here?
The camera be making me nervous.
How you doing, buddy?
What's going on?
How you been? It's been a while.
Has it?
Yeah, I haven't seen you in like 2 weeks.
Yo, where is everybody?
I don't know, where you been? I got the free TV set up. I figured out why they threw it out. There's like, the line went away. Oh, there's like a little line right in the middle, but you can't really tell right now. What you need to say?
Alright, let me tell you guys like this. Quote the date. Saturday, October 8th, 2016. You gonna watch this 10 years from now, you gonna know what's real. Anyways, money coming. Both of us. Me and the guy behind the camera. So don't doubt it. Don't try to fight it. Just accept it. Because you'll be better off. Alright? Done.
where are we going?
We're almost at Orchid. I do not consent to this.
Let's go on YouTube regardless. Yeah, this is Orchid right here.